Right now we got some projects going up. Like we said, this one over here is in Ico Brownstone. We're about to make this one a model home again, but I want to show you guys something cool. So we got this nice app, it's called Pitch Gauge, right? So what you do is, a lot of times you want to see the pitch of the roof. So like this one, for instance, is real steep. Let me show you. So usually the old school ways, you have to get on the roof. With the pitch gauge, what you can do is actually find the pitch finder, and you'll be able to go on the roof, and while you're on the roof, it'll actually show you what pitch it is. You know, so if it's a 9 pitch, you know, 10 pitch, 12 pitch, whatever it is, right? But then the other cool thing is that you can actually put on a camera mode where you're able to get the pitch from the ground. So all you do is you go to the house, you go centered, you get to the house, and then with this line right here, you just line it up with the roof. This one right here is looking like so you see right there is looking like a 10 pitch. It's right lined up, and you go right there. So a lot of times you get the estimated 9.9, 9.8. Obviously you're gonna round up to 10. If it's a 9.4 or something like that, then obviously, you know, you'd round down to say a 9 pitch. But that's the way that you do it. Something that's real easy. I didn't even have to climb and get on the roof. Make sure you download the Pitch Gauge app.